Our world is full of confusion and difficulties. Things need to change. In this day and age where most things have yet to be digitized, we create that change with our expertise in tagging, fueling your business with small data that connects people and things on site. A new future for key industries that serve our lives. Connecting supply chains for things and people to move in new ways. Digitizing food production to deliver safety for all. Innovating the factory with data for more sophisticated manufacturing. Empowering medicine with full traceability to enrich lives in the longevity era. Gearing up retail for the digital age of shopping. Tagging can digitize anything to connect everything and everyone. And how much better would the world be if we were all connected? Keeping your business moving and connected, starting from where you are.